Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Silverware Basket Kit. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Silverware Basket Kit. The Silverware Basket Kit contains the whole silverware basket. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can pull the lower rack out. Once you have it out, we can lift the silverware basket out of the dish rack. Here's the old silverware basket next to the new Silverware Basket Kit. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. The new one comes with new lids and a new handle, so we're going to have to snap that handle in. So we're just going to set this lid aside right now. Then we can pull the handle out. We have to hook it on each end into the silverware basket. Once you have the handle snapped in, you can put the lid on. Once you have the Silverware Basket Kit put together, we can put it into the dishwasher. To put the new Silverware Basket Kit in, all you have to do is set it into the lower rack and clip it on the upper rail. Once you have it in place, you can push the lower dish rack back in. We can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.